Alright, so for this rotation, this exploration, you don't have anything that needs to be done in your math journal. This one, you're going to find this card about creating equal groups. It tells you to get one 6-sided die. You want 36 counters, so for these counters, just go ahead and use a bunch of my cubes. And then you're going to need quarter sheets of papers, or with this, I have a bunch of yellow index cards for you to use. Now, there's no need to rip these up or write on these ones, but we'll set these aside and you'll see what we're going to do with these in a minute. So I've got my materials. The other thing you're going to need is paper, but instead of getting out paper, I want you to go ahead and get out a whiteboard and a marker, and you can go ahead and draw it all out this way. So I've got all my materials and I'm all ready. The first thing that I need to do is I'm going to be rolling my die 2 times. What we're working with is figuring out some different multiplication problems using birds' nests and eggs. Our counters are all going to represent my eggs, and my yellow sheets of paper are going to represent the nests. So the first thing I'm going to do is roll my die. This tells me how many nests I have. So I'm going to set up 6 nests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I've got my 6 nests all set up. 6 nests. I'm going to roll it again. This tells me how many eggs go in each nest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 in each nest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now I filled all of my nests. First roll told me 6 nests. The second one told me 5 eggs in each nest. I want to figure out how many eggs total do I have all together. So I have 5 and another 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to move all these aside, and on my board, I'm going to write my multiplication problem. And I can even draw out a picture to say I had 6 nests, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nests, 5 eggs. I like to take the shortcut instead of drawing everything out. I just write my number of how many are in each. And then I'm going to write my multiplication problem. I had 6 nests times 5 eggs per nest equaled, and how many total were there? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So that goes ahead to solve my problem. Once you finish this, you can do this a couple times. If you have extra time, and I haven't called any rotations yet, and there's one problem too that you worked really, really hard on, you want to go get an iPad out and get into Seesaw, and you can take a picture of one of yours, and you can go ahead to post it up on Seesaw, or do a drawing and narrate your drawing, showing me exactly what you did and explaining everything, just like I'm kind of doing for you right now. I can't wait to see some of your different things that you're creating. See you in a bit.